Chapter 4 of Brave New World begins in an elevator, where Lenina Crown encounters Bernard Marx. Lenina is keen to converse with Bernard about their upcoming trip to New Mexico, but Bernard, harboring deeper feelings for Lenina, attempts to express how he feels. However, Lenina is focused on her plans and doesn't notice Bernard's attempts to communicate his feelings. She is instead preoccupied with her imminent date with Henry Foster and rushes off as they are late. Lenina and Henry then embark on their date, which provides a picturesque overview of London through the flight in their helicopter. This journey elegantly unfolds a bird's-eye view of the future London, from Charing T Tower to the outskirts, encompassing Hounslow Feely Studios and the Obstacle Golf Course. This section serves not only as a narrative drive, but also to expand on the setting, providing insights into the societal norms and the environment the characters inhabit. The narrative then shifts back to Bernard Marx, who is characterized as feeling like an outsider within his society. Despite being an Alpha Plus, a status that theoretically places him at the top of the social hierarchy, Bernard is self-conscious and dissatisfied with life. He attributes his social maladjustment to his physical stature, which he believes is significantly shorter than what is typical for someone of his caste because of an error in his embryonic development. Bernard ruminates over his sense of isolation and disconnect from the society that views him as aberrant. Seeking solace, Bernard goes to meet his friend Helmholtz Watson at the propaganda house. Helmholtz is an emotional engineer and, like Bernard, feels a profound sense of alienation despite his success and social standing. Helmholtz's discontent stems from a feeling of emptiness and lack of purpose in his work, and he craves a deeper meaning to life, which he believes his current role in society fails to provide. Both men find kinship in their feelings of dissatisfaction and alienation, recognizing in each other a shared sense of individuality that seems at odds with the norms of their world. In much detail, the chapter contrasts the experiences and internal states of Bernard Marx and Lenina Crown, showcasing how different individuals navigate the societal expectations of Huxley's dystopian world. Bernard struggles with feelings of inadequacy and desires a more profound connection than the superficial relationships sanctioned by his society. In contrast, Lenina appears to embody the orthodoxies of their world, engaging in the socially encouraged behaviors and relationships without apparent reservation. Yet, her interest in Bernard, who is such a clear misfit, hints at a depth or dissatisfaction that is not completely explored at this point in the book. Additionally, the chapter touches on broader themes of individuality, conformity, and the human condition through its characters and their interactions. The brief interaction with the Epsilon elevator operator highlights the pervasive reach of societal conditioning, yet also hints at the ineffaceable nature of human desires and needs, such as the longing for beauty and freedom, no matter how deeply suppressed by the societal system. Through the contrasting lenses of Bernard, Lenina, and Helmholtz, Chapter 4 of Brave New World delves deeply into the psychological and social dynamics of Huxley's meticulously crafted dystopian society. If this video was helpful, please hit that like button and tell me what you would like to see in our next video in the comment section below. This has been another Bookly Crash Course.